Hello there students, I hope you're doing well. So before you sit for the exam, here is a sample of a local English exam. If you're not subscribed, please do it and like the video. Read the text carefully and then we move to the comprehension questions. Answer the questions 1 and 2 from the text. Correction of exercise 1. Anna is British. False. She is from USA. Her mother's name is Olivia. False. Her mother's name is Laura. Anna has got 2 brothers. True. Tim and David. Exercise number 2. How old is Anna? Anna is 8. How many uncles has she got? She has got 2 uncles. What is the name of her aunt? Her aunt's name is Olivia. Exercise number 1. Fill in the gaps with the given possessive adjectives. They close their books. So because we have the subject pronoun they and it goes with their. Mary loves her school. Mary, she, and she corresponds to her. Exercise number 2. Write the verbs in the simple present tense. They come from Canada, no change. Joanne prepares her lessons. She is a good student. The verb prepare takes S because Joanne can be replaced with the subject pronoun she and verb with she takes S. Mary and I go to the cinema every Friday. Go does not take S because Mary and I can be substituted by we. Sebastian studies at Billa Art School. The verb study takes ES and Y is changed to I because Y comes after a consonant. Exercise number 3. Fill in with the article A or N. It's an alien. Alien starts with a vowel, so we put the article N. It's a koala. Koala starts with a consonant and we put the article A. Vocabulary, label the pictures. Picture 1, chair. Picture 2, blackboard. Writing, write short paragraph about yourself. In your writing, try to mention the things you are asked to write about. Name, age, favorite school subject, and family members. Don't forget capitalization and punctuation marks. Hello, my name is Maryam. I am 14. My favorite subject is English. I live with my small family. I have got 2 sisters. Their names are Hanan and Nora. My mom is a nurse. Her name is Fatima. Thank you for watching and I wish you the best of luck. Bye bye.